Welcome back to CAD with Mohsin. In today's video, we will be comparing two powerful CAD software programs, AutoCAD and SolidWorks. We will explore their features, applications, and help you decide which one is best suited for your needs. So let's dive in. Let's start with the user interface and design intent. Well, AutoCAD offers a more traditional 2D drafting and 3D modeling interface perfect for architectural and engineering design. On the other hand, SolidWorks provides a user-friendly 3D parametric modeling interface, which is ideal for mechanical and product design. So from this, we can understand that both softwares has very much separate domains and applications. Let's see more about it. When it comes to 2D drafting and documentation, both AutoCAD and SolidWorks have their strengths, but AutoCAD shines here with its extensive tools and features for creating technical drawings, floor plans, and architectural layouts. While SolidWorks also offers 2D drafting capabilities, it primarily focuses on 3D modeling and assembly design. So here we can see that in 2D drafting and documentation, the AutoCAD wins. Now let's see who wins the race in 3D modeling and assemblies. In 3D modeling and assemblies, AutoCAD allows you to create basic 3D shapes and modify them. However, SolidWorks takes the lead here with its advanced features for creating parts and assemblies. It's the go-to choice for mechanical design and assembly simulations. So, here the SolidWorks wins the race in 3D modeling and assemblies. Moving on to the next feature, that is simulation and analysis. When it comes to simulation analysis, AutoCAD offers very limited built-in capabilities, mainly focusing on structural analysis and basic simulations. On the other hand, SolidWorks provides integrated simulation tools that allow you to analyze designs for stress, motion, heat transfer, and fluid dynamics. It's a powerful solution for engineers seeking in-depth simulations. So, the SolidWorks again wins the race in simulation and analysis. Let's see what industry wants. AutoCAD has a strong presence in the architecture, engineering, and construction industries, thanks to its robust 2D drafting capabilities. SolidWorks, on the other hand, is predominantly used in mechanical engineering and manufacturing industries. It's the preferred choice for designing parts and assemblies. So, both have separate domains here, and both are the winners in their respective domains. Now, let's talk about pricing and licensing. Both AutoCAD and SolidWorks offer various licensing options, including perpetual licenses and subscription based plans. The pricing varies based on the specific package, adds on, and licensing duration. So it's essential to consider your budget and requirement when making a decision. To sum it up, AutoCAD and SolidWorks are powerful CAD software programs, each with its own strengths and target industries. If you prioritize 2D drafting, then AutoCAD is a reliable choice. However, if your focus is on 3D modeling, assemblies, and simulations, SolidWorks offers advanced capabilities. Consider your industry, design requirement, and budget to make the right decision for your CAD needs. That wraps up our comparison of AutoCAD and SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe my channel for more CAD tutorials and content. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.